Your what?
My tiger's in the bin.
Your what's in the bin?
My tiger.
Why is your tiger in the bin?
Because my pee.
Oh, it's all pee. Okay. And what's that at the front door? Hey guys, you know what that means. LMC truck. Got some parts in there, so stay tuned to the end and we'll do the unboxing and you can see what this is two of the other projects that I'm going to be doing on my truck. You'll see. So we'll do an unboxing at the end of this episode. So stay tuned, watch the end, like, comment, subscribe, and give me some love, guys. All right. I have an unexpected post for you guys. Some work I'm doing in my truck. I power washed and cleaned our carpet completely, but I thought I would be able to hang it with a strap between the trees, but the carpet's so heavy and the slack line I've got, the ratchet doesn't have enough ratcheting to lift it off the ground with these high trees. So instead I've got one end here under the carpet, I'll be there in a sec, going back up over the branch down to my truck, and I got it hooked up to the hitch. So truck goes forward, carpet should go up. We shall see. There's no neighbors watching yet, but we will see. All right, moment of truth. Am I a genius or am I a dumb? Success. Success. There it is, hanging in the wet. That thing is probably like 300 pounds. So here's the unboxing as promised. What do we have? We got, so this is door weather stripping, one. This is door weather stripping, two. This is the rain gutter, one and two. Got our cowl seals left and right. I think this is the weather. More stripping. Here's our window channels, the belt line. For 1, 2, left and right, both sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. This is the under radiator rubber. And oh yeah, that is a hint of also what's to come. This is a nice, very, very quality badge here. I can't wait to put that on. That's a hint of another unboxing we'll do later. Tune in. We're gonna do a whole weather stripping, rain gutter, window channel, sort of seals episode, and I'll have a decibel meter by then, and we'll see if there's a sound difference. Thanks. Cheers.